I'm the technician from Breezecome. Today we're installing a Green heat pump. So we're going to talk about how you're going to turn it from cooling to heating to auxiliary. So from your Ecobee thermostat, you set it up as cooling, it'll run that naturally. When you set it to heating, your heat pump will be doing majority of your heating for you. When you want to change it over to your furnace, there's an auxiliary mode that you can press on the Ecobee, and that'll take it directly to the furnace and shut your heat pump off. So some issues that you could be getting from the Ecobee thermostat, heat has been running for X amount of hours and the temperature's only gone up by a degree or two. So this is something that you can be able to check your air filter for your furnace. Maybe there might be a problem with the gas levels in the heat pump. First thing you do is check your filter. Next thing you can do is call your technician, let them come give everything a thorough check. So there is a reversing valve inside the heat pump that turns the refrigerant the other direction. So that's how it produces heat. So this will be very cold when it's producing heat, and it'll be very warm when it's producing air conditioning. So a lot of customers ask why there's water coming out of the heat pump during the running cycle. So there's two reasons. One would be that in the cooling season, the compressor actually tends to sweat. And the low side copper, which is the bigger end, does sweat quite a bit. So the water will trickle out from the bottom. Nothing to be concerned about, nothing going to cause any damage. The other thing would be that there's a defrost cycle on this. So with the defrost cycle on this, when the refrigerant changes form, it tends to frost up, and then the defrost cycle is going to cool down, and then all that ice will kind of melt. So these are two reasons why you'll get some water coming out of the condensing unit.